start this vlog off with some cleaning. I'm about to do laundry, clean my son's bathroom, and also clean his bedroom.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realize I got myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end.
This is the moment that I realized that I was cleaning my son's bathroom and he needed to come and assist me. So we got Trance. I'm just spraying down the toilet and I'm explaining to him that I need him to help me wipe the toilet down. As you can see, he's pretty cooperative, wiping down the side of the toilet. I'm getting the top and he's getting around the side. I'm doing the top of the toilet and the inside of the toilet. So in my eyes, it's always good to make sure that you include your children in the cleaning process. It's so many people that I witness, like friends that I've had in the past and friends that I have currently, and their children do not help them clean. And that's one thing that I am totally against, is doing all of the work by myself, especially if I didn't make the mess myself. So yeah, he's probably not the happiest about it, but it's teaching him character and it's teaching him how to keep his bathroom clean as he gets older. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. We are in Trance's bedroom now, and we're going to tackle this closet. He doesn't play with 90% of these toys, probably 100% of the toys and stuff that's in here. We're just going to gut the closet out and get rid of anything that he doesn't use. Yesterday we left off washing clothes, cleaning Trance's bathroom, Trance's bedroom. He fell asleep on me while we were cleaning. He literally laid on his bed and was out for the count. It's 9:24, Saturday, October the 11th. You want to be nice to me and give me that kiss and a hug, my baby boy. Don't. Downstairs in the kitchen getting ready to make some breakfast. I wanted to make some eggs, but I kind of don't feel like it, and I also have to clean the kitchen at the same time. So we are going to make Trent some oatmeal and myself. Just about to take a load off for a little bit. I done cleaned, I done cooked. My niece is coming over later on so I can start braiding her hair. She's getting boho knotless braids. I'm up from what was supposed to be my nap, but I never went to sleep in the first place. I'm actually getting ready to take a shower. About to be a braid gallery in here, so about to jump in the shower.
I find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spend all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, it's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on ice, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on ice, getting the best of me.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please favor for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my players' ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Break it down. Yes, sir. We used to stay up and then stay up, have sex and then blow dang. I shouldn't play no games with you, just leveled up my brain. Last time I saw you, we ain't speak, that was strange. Yes, there's nothing I could do, man, it's true, X's changed, yeah. Hey, yes, you changed for the better. I know you know how to make me jealous. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo, but I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. For real, shout out. Yeah. Is you at 2 keys or 10 rule? Turn up, we on